In a world recovering from war, where innovation was key, a brand was born. Welcome to the captivating story of Goss, a journey that spans over 80 years of automotive excellence. In 1943, the Goss Gasket Manufacturing Company emerged. Founded by Richard Goss, Walter Simpson, and W. L. Ryan. Their mission? To manufacture automotive gaskets. With Richard's gasket expertise, Walter's financial acumen, and Bill's industry knowledge, they laid the foundation for greatness. Overcoming challenges, Goss collaborated with local rubber producers, pioneering the development of a durable nitrile-based material for mechanical fuel pump diaphragms. As petrol became readily available post-war, Goss expanded its range of automotive gaskets and introduced fuel pump products. In 1949, Betty McLaren joined Goss as Richard Goss's personal assistant. Little did she know, she would become a trailblazer in the industry. After Richard Goss's passing in 1954, Betty McLaren became the manager and later the first female managing director of a public company in Australia. In 1960, Goss was acquired by GUD Holdings, marking a new chapter in its history. The company relocated to Gilbert Road, Preston. Goss's expertise grew, and they began supplying mechanical fuel pumps to renowned brands like Leyland and Toyota. Throughout the years, Goss continuously expanded its product offerings, from chemicals and hoses to electric fuel pumps, ignition coils, sensors and connectors. In 1993, Goss achieved certification for its quality systems, ensuring the highest standards in production and installation. Under new management, Goss underwent a brand update, introducing a fresh logo and a new direction. Goss Vehicle Mechatronics, a genuine alternative in the automotive aftermarket. Today, Goss stands as a symbol of reliability and innovation, offering over 36 different product categories and more than 5,000 SKUs. And now, after 80 years of remarkable achievements, Goss celebrates its enduring legacy and the pursuit of automotive excellence. From humble beginnings to a powerhouse in the automotive industry, Goss continues to drive forward, innovating and inspiring for generations to come.